Oh, yeah. Sometimes no matter how far we go, love finds its way back home. The sun goes down beyond the sea, bringing back your memory. Another night, another dream. Nothing's ever what it seems. I try to walk a different road, carrying a heavy load, but every step I take somehow leads me back to you right now. The wind still whispers your sweet name, and my heart still burns the same. Though time keeps passing by, you're still the reason why I keep coming back to your love, like the waves return to shore. No matter where life takes me, I need you even more. I keep coming back to your love, like the stars belong above. Through every road I've traveled, I keep coming back to your love. Every picture tells a story filled with laughter, filled with glory. Moments that we used to share still feel alive everywhere. The city lights can't hide the truth. My heart still belongs to you. And every song up on the radio reminds me of long ago. Sometimes love never really leaves. It's stronger than we believe. Yeah, I've been searching for a better place, trying to forget your face, but every memory remains, running circles through my brain. Different people, different nights, nothing ever feels quite right, 'cause nobody can take your place, nobody can match your grace. I know we both made mistakes, but real love never breaks. Oh, oh. And if tomorrow gives us one more try, I'll be there by your side. No matter how far I roam, your heart will always be my own. I keep coming back to your love, like the waves return to shore. No matter where life takes me, I need you even more. I keep coming back to your love, like the stars belong above. Through every road I've traveled, I keep coming back to your love. Maybe destiny has a plan. Maybe someday we'll understand why every road and every mile still leads me to your smile. Keep coming back to your love when the nights are cold and long. You're the melody inside me, you're my favorite song. I keep coming back to your love, like a dream I'm dreaming of, forever and forever. I keep coming back to your love. I keep coming back to your love, no matter what I'm thinking of. You're the one my heart my heart keeps finding its way back home. Through every distance, every passing year, your voice is the only one I hear. And when the stars begin to shine, I close my eyes and you're still mine. I'm still here beside you, even when the sky turns gray. No matter where life takes you, my love will never fade away. Through the storm and through the fire, you're the reason I believe. I'm still here beside you. You're the only one I need. Yeah. I've been walking through the night trying to make things right. Every dream, every fight had your name in my sight. People change, seasons move, but my feelings stay the same. Every road that I choose always leads me back again. You were there when I was broken, when my world was falling down. Now I'm standing stronger cause your love is all around. No matter how far we go, no matter what we go through, there's a place inside my soul reserved forever for you. I'm still here beside you, even when the sky turns gray. No matter where life takes you, my love will never fade away. Through the storm and through the fire, you're the reason I believe. I'm still here beside you. You're the only one I need. Maybe someday we'll look back at the memories we've made. Every tear and every laugh, every promise that remains. And I'll hold your hand forever, like the first time that we met. A love that keeps getting stronger, a love we'll never forget. I'm still here beside you, through the highs and through the lows. Every heartbeat tells the story of a love that only grows. When the whole world fades around us, you'll always be my dream come true. I'm still here beside you, and I'll always love you. Still here beside you, forever loving you. Still here beside you. Ooh. Even when the rain keeps falling, I'm still here beside you. The sunset fades into the ocean light. Another day is saying goodbye tonight. I remember every word you said to me, like a melody drifting through the sea. The world keeps turning, people come and go, but my heart keeps finding its way back home. Through every distance, every passing year, your voice is the only one I hear. And when the stars begin to shine, I close my eyes and you're still mine. I'm still here beside you, even when the sky turns gray. No matter where life takes you, my love will never fade away. Through the storm and through the fire, you're the reason I believe. I'm still here beside you. You're the only one I need. I've been walking through the nights trying to make things right. Every dream, every fight had your name in my sight. People change, seasons move, but my feelings stay the same. Every road that I choose always leads me back again. You were there when I was broken, when my world was falling down. Now I'm standing stronger cause your love is all around. No matter how I need. Maybe someday we'll look back at the memories we've made, every tear and every laugh, every promise that remains. And I'll hold your hand forever, like the first time that we met. A love that keeps getting stronger, a love we'll never forget. I'm still here beside you, through the highs and through the lows. Every heartbeat tells a story of a love that only grows. When the whole world fades around us, you'll always be my dream come true. I'm still here beside you, and I'll always love you. Still here beside you, forever loving you. Yeah. Still here beside you. Yeah. Sometimes no matter how far we go, love finds its way back home. The sun goes down beyond the sea, bringing back your memory. Another night, another dream. Nothing's ever what it seems. I try to walk a different road, carrying a heavy load, but every step I take somehow leads me back to you right now. The wind still whispers your sweet name, and my heart still burns the same. Though time keeps passing by, you're still the reason why I keep coming back to your love, like the waves return to shore. No matter where life takes me, I need you even more. I keep coming back to your love, like the stars belong above. Through every road I've traveled, I keep coming back to your love. Every picture tells a story, filled with laughter, filled with glory. Moments that we used to share still feel alive everywhere. The city lights can't hide the truth. My heart still belongs to you, and every song upon the radio reminds me of long ago. Sometimes love never really leaves. It's stronger than we believe. Yeah, I've been searching for a better place, trying to forget your face, but every memory remains. Running circles through my brain, different people, different nights, nothing ever feels quite right. Cause nobody can take your place, nobody can match your grace. I know we both make mistakes, but real love never breaks. And if tomorrow gives us one more try, I'll be there by your side. No matter how far I roam, your heart will always be my home. I keep coming back to your love, like the waves return to shore. No matter where life takes me, I need you even more. I keep coming back to your love, like the stars belong above. Through every road I've traveled, I keep coming back to your love. Maybe destiny has a plan, maybe someday we'll understand why every road and every mile still leads me to your smile. I keep coming back to your love, when the nights are cold and long. You're the melody inside me. Oh, shine. The ocean sings a lonely tune while I'm thinking about you. The breeze reminds me of your touch, the little things I miss so much. Every wave that reaches land feels like it's holding your hand. Though the distance feels so wide, you're still here deep inside. And every night before I sleep, your memory I always keep. We're under the same moon tonight, looking at the same sky. Though miles apart, you're never far from my heart. We're under the same moon tonight, dreaming beneath the light. And wherever you may be, you're still a part of me. The road ahead is hard sometimes, but your love stays on my mind like a lighthouse in the dark. You keep guiding my heart. I still remember every kiss, every moment that I miss, and every promise that we made still lives inside today. No matter how the seasons change, my feelings remain the same. Yeah, another late night staring at the stars, wondering if you're thinking of me where you are. Different cities, different roads, but we're carrying the same love. I know life keeps moving fast, trying not to live inside the past, but every memory shines so bright, like the moonlight in the night. Every song reminds me of your smile, makes the lonely road worthwhile. And if fate gives us another chance, I'll hold you close and never let go again. No matter how far we roam, your heart will always be my home. We're under the same moon tonight, looking at the same sky. Though we're miles apart, you're never far from my heart. We're under the same moon tonight, dreaming beneath the light. And wherever you may be, you're still a part of me. Maybe someday we'll meet again. And all this waiting will finally end. Till that day I'll keep believing in the love we're still receiving. We're under the same moon tonight, shining through the darkest night. Every dream leads back to you, like it always used to do. We're under the same moon tonight, holding on with all our might. No matter where life takes us to, my heart belongs to you. We're under the same moon tonight, and everything will be alright, because the love that's true and strong will find its way before too long. Under the same moon, thinking of you. Every star, every light leads me back to you. Hey, under the same moon. Every night, every day, I still think about you. without you, nothing feels the same. I keep walking down these empty streets, listen to the echoes of your heartbeat. The memories keep running through my mind like an old song I can never leave behind. Every smile, every laugh we share still reminds me that you cared. I never thought that we'd be apart. Now I'm carrying your picture in my heart, and every time I see the moon above, I remember all our love. I'm missing you tonight, holding memories tight, wishing you were here with me like it used to be. I'm missing you tonight, dreaming of your eyes. No matter where you are, you'll always be my life. Yeah, 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 yeah. Late night cruising with the radio on, thinking about the days that are gone. Every corner of this town reminds me when you were around. I still remember your favorite song, the one we'd sing all night long. Now the silence fills the air, but I still feel you everywhere. Maybe someday we'll meet again, maybe someday we'll make amends. Until then I'll keep holding on, trying to stay strong and move along. Life goes fast, people change, but my feelings stay the same. No matter how much time goes by, you're still the reason why. I'm missing you tonight, holding memories tight, wishing you were here with me like it used to be. I'm missing you tonight, dreaming of your eyes. No matter where you are, you'll always be my life. Sometimes love feels like the ocean, moving with every emotion. Sometimes it pulls us far away, but true love always finds a way. Even if the distance grows, even if nobody knows, deep inside my heart it's true. I'm still in love with you. I'm missing you tonight, underneath the stars so bright. Every heartbeat calls your name, and my love remains the same. I'm missing you tonight, still believing we'll be alright. Through the darkness I can see you're still a part of me. I'm missing you tonight, holding memories tight. No matter where life takes us to, my heart belongs to you. Missing you tonight, still loving you. Every road I take leads me back to you. Yeah, missing you tonight. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Every sunrise reminds me of your smile. Every mile feels shorter for a while. Though the world keeps changing every day, my love for you will always stay forever in my heart. You'll never be apart, no matter where you are. You're my shining star. Oh, oh. I've been chasing dreams, trying to make life better, but every road I take brings us closer together. This one goes out to the one I still love. Even after all this time, was better than it seemed. Now the seasons come and go, but you're the one I still wanna know. Every memory stays alive, keeping our love deep inside. Sometimes I hear your voice in the wind, bringing back the feelings again. And every star I see above still reminds me of our love. When the rain falls down, I still think of you. Every drop reminds me of the love we knew. When the rain falls down, my heart calls your name. Even after all this time, nothing feels the same. The road gets lonely after dark, but your memory lights a spark. Every place we used to go still carries the love. I know. Hey, I keep smiling through the pain, hoping we'll meet again someday. Maybe fate will bring us near. Maybe you'll still be here. Another night and I'm staring at the sky, wondering if you ever think of you and I. So many memories running through my head, so many words that were left unsaid. I know life can take us different ways, but I still remember our golden days. Every laugh, every tear, every moment when you were here. People tell me I should move on, but some feelings remain strong. No matter how far the future goes, you're the one my heart still knows. When the rain falls down, I still think of you. Every drop reminds me of the love we knew. When the rain falls down, my heart calls your name. Even after all this time, nothing feels the same. Maybe love never really ends. Maybe broken hearts can mend. Maybe someday you'll understand. You're still the one who holds my hand. Even if we're worlds apart, you're forever on my heart. When the rain falls down, I still dream of you. Every night I pray someday our love will make it through. When the rain falls down, I look into the sky, knowing that my love for you will never say goodbye. When the rain falls down, I keep holding on, because deep inside my soul, you're where I belong. When the rain falls down, I'm still waiting now. Every road, every dream leads me back somehow. Yeah. When the rain falls down. Oh, yeah. No matter how far apart we are, we're still under the same moon. Tonight I'm sitting by the shoreline, watching stars begin to shine. The ocean sings a lonely tune while I'm thinking about you. The breeze reminds me of your touch, the little things I miss so much. Every wave that reaches land feels like it's holding your hand. Though the distance feels so wide, you're still here deep inside. And every night before I sleep, your memory I always keep. We're under the same moon tonight. are some times, but your love stays on my mind like a lighthouse in the dark. You keep guiding my heart. I still remember every kiss, every moment that I miss, and every promise that we made still lives inside today. No matter how the seasons change, my feelings remain. Yeah, this is it. Another late night staring at the stars, wondering if you're thinking of me where you are. Different cities, different roads, but we're carrying the same love. I know life keeps moving fast, trying not to live inside the past, but every memory shines so bright, like the moonlight in the night. Every song reminds me of your smile, makes the lonely road worthwhile, and if fate gives us another chance, I hold you close and never let go again. No matter how far we roam, your heart will always be my home. We're under the same moon tonight, looking at the same sky. Though we're miles apart, you're never far from my heart. We're under the same moon tonight, dreaming beneath the light. And wherever you may be, you're still a part of me. Maybe someday we'll meet again, and all this waiting will finally end. Till that day I'll keep believing in the love we're still receiving. We're under the same moon tonight, shining through the darkest night. Every dream leads back to you, like it always used to do. We're under the same moon tonight, holding on with all our might. No matter where life takes us to, my heart belongs to you. Babe, we're under the same moon tonight, and everything will be alright, because a love that's true and strong will find its way before too long. Under the same moon, thinking of you, every star, every light lead me back to you. Yeah, under the same moon. Every sunrise reminds me of your smile. Every mile feels shorter for a while. Though the world keeps changing every day, my love for you will always stay forever in my heart. You'll never be apart, no matter where you are. You're my shining star. I've been chasing dreams, trying to make life better, but every road I take brings us closer together. Waves are dancing on the shore, like the way I need you more. Ocean breeze whispers your name. Nothing ever feels the same. Welcome to our island of love, blessed by the stars above. Holding you is all I need. You're my destiny. Sunset got your eyes, everything feels right underneath the moonlight. You're my paradise. Another morning, another day, but your memory never fades away. The sun comes up, the sky turns blue, yet all I see reminds me of you. Every little thing brings